I am thrilled to be in Boston. And we are fired up. Today is a very special day. We are launching OStaff, our OnPassive HR management solution and platform, something revolutionary. A huge thank you to everyone who's been a part of this long journey, but it paid off. We are presenting to you this phenomenon that is OStaff, one of our many products in OnPassive. It's a complete digital solution for all businesses, for all individuals, all organizations. We are introducing OStaff to you, OnPassive HR management solution. So we decided to make the perfect balance and the perfect marriage between technology, automation, and human element. So we decided to inject AI, that is artificial intelligence, to really learn what are the most repeated tasks that we do and make sure that the machine will take care of that instead of us. We have included every possible tool, anything you would need for your human resources management and needs. It is all in one place. That is OStaff. The most important thing that this is a universal solution, that it works in every country, every regulation, that is compatible, and it meets all the compliance. Because you would have the flexibility to select whether currency, time zone, if it's hourly paid, the payroll, all of that. You just set them one time, set and forget. Let the machine go to work and you sit back and watch your business grow.
What a historical day. I worked a lot of years in the HR sector for a big global bank. Can you imagine that we use 5 till 10 tools to have only some of the features of what we have just seen in OStaff?
All the reports at your fingertips, one place. Do you see the colors? Do you see the theme, the flawlessness? You see all of that? We thought about every dot. Every dot. You're not going to type, you're not going to code, you're not going to reinvent, you're not going to engineer. It's there. This is where you are in control of your finances. You're in control of your business, not the other way around. It will allow you to get more done. When you get more done in less time, it will increase your revenue. As usual, we over-deliver. You can do this. Anyone, if you have a business, this is an answer to your prayers. Why? It's going to cut so much cost, so much time, confusion, and it's fun. Everything in one place. Your payroll, different shifts, everything in one place. It is the most complete application, period.
And I can see this program for every single governmental agency out there.
This is a game changer. If you agree with me, thank you. Right next to me, Susie McRae worked in the HR industry.
So with OStaff, I see such a solution where managers are going to be delighted because they're going to have everything at their fingertips.
This is a home run, time saver, easy to use. Everything is right there.
The bottom line is you would have everything you want to know about your human resources in one-stop shop. This is how we do business in 2022 and beyond. Thank you so much, Hyderabad. Incredible work. So proud of you. But it's also important to thank every single founder who supported the vision.
All of this data in one simple form. I'm telling you, you just changed the world. Thank you, Hyderabad, Mr. Mufara, and wow.
I was even more blown away as to the magnitude of it, the simplicity of it, and everything anybody would need for their business is there. We're always going to be getting more and more features, more and more products at that same one price, and I just think the future looks great.
It's going to help so many businesses around the world, not just here in the United States, but all around the world.
We did it. We did it. Thank you, thank you, thank you, team. Incredible. Stand ovation, everyone. All right. Fantastic.